let me show you how to block senders in email. If you're tired and don't want any emails from a particular sender, you can easily block them so that all of the emails go directly to the spam section, bypassing your inbox section. So in order to block any sender, you can just open up the email that you just received from the inbox section, and on the right hand side, click on more. Right here, you'll see the option called block. Click on the block option, and it says right here, future messages from this email address will be marked as spam. Click on the block button again, and there you go. The email now has been blocked, and any emails receiving from this particular email will be straight away taken to the spam section. Now, for example, if you block someone by mistake and you want to remove them, you can head over to settings, click on see all settings, head over to filters and block addresses, pick the one that you want to unblock, and then click on unblock selected addresses. And there you go, the addresses now have been unblocked successfully. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.